So I'm going to do a few questions that deal with decimals that are on homework 4 in case you needed extra examples. So the first example here we have negative 5.642 minus 2.57. And we know that if we're subtracting here, we have a negative and then we're subtracting again. I can rewrite this as negative 5.642 plus negative 2.57. So now that I have an addition question, I see that I'm adding two numbers that have the same sign. So add them and your answer will be negative. I'm going to line these numbers up vertically by place value. So I have negative 5.642. Line up the second one, negative 2.57. If it works for you, you can put a placeholder of 0 here. And they have the same sign, so you want to add these. 2 and 0 is 2. 7 and 4 is 11. So carry the 1. 6, 5, 1, 12. Carry the 1. And if I like to bring down the decimal point right now, okay? And then 5, 2, and 1, 8, and we are negative. Okay, so this first question here is equal to negative 8.212. Okay, second question. You have 13.32 plus a negative number. A positive plus a negative means you want to subtract. So I'm going to write these numbers vertically, first with the negative 28.596 first, and then line up by your decimals. I'm going to put 13.32 second. If it works for you, put a 0 as a placeholder. And you want to subtract these because they're opposite signs. 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. Bring down your decimal point. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. Keep the sign of this top number here. Okay, well, let's make that blue. All right, so our answer for the second one equals negative 15 point, oh, that 5 looks terrible. 15.276. Okay, let's try one more so you feel comfortable. All right, the first question we have, negative 4.53 plus negative 5.34. This question is great because we don't need to change this to an addition problem. It's already addition. And we can see that we're adding two numbers that are negative. So I'm going to line these up, negative 4.53 and negative 5.34. Same signs, add them. So 3 and 4 is 7. 5 and 3 is 8. Bring down the decimal point. 5 and 4 is 9. Negative. So the answer for this first one equals negative 9.87. Second question, negative 6.8 plus 19.5. So I'm going to, again, write these vertically. It's already an addition question. I'm going to write the 19.5 first, the negative 6.8 second. Opposite signs, so you want to subtract. So 5 minus 8, I know I need to borrow, so I'm going to regroup. Borrow from the 9, makes that an 8. And so now the 5 becomes a 15. So we have 15 minus 8, we get 7. Bring down the decimal point. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then we have 1. Our sign comes from this top number here, which is positive. So our answer is equal to 12.7. All right. Hope that was helpful.